Have you been looking for an affordable, all-brick, new construction home in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area? In this video, we're going to take a model home new construction walkthrough tour of the 1709 floor plan by Adams Homes in Piedmont, South Carolina. Now, if you are new to our channel and you want to know everything about living right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you'll be the first to know about the real estate market right here in the greater Greenville area. Hey, it's Victor. I'm here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people build generational wealth by guiding and supporting them as they buy their dream home and sell at the highest price. And we would love to do the same for you too. So whether you're looking to move in the next 10 days or in the next 100 days, go ahead and reach out to us. We'd love to help you avoid costly mistakes and make a smooth move right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. And all of our contact information are in the description box below, and we'd love to work with you. All right, so we'll take a look at this 1709 floor plan right here. The 1709 is actually the size of this home, and it's also the name of the model. As you can see here, it's the brick home, different color, garage door here. All right, as you come in, you got a little bit of a entryway here, front porch. Luxury vinyl planks in the main living area. You got the coat closet here and open floor plan. Okay, and we'll go check that out in a moment. All right, so let's check out this side. And you've got the second bathroom here. All right, like I said, you have the luxury vinyl plank in the main living area, and then in the bedrooms you have carpet. And you can see here is the closet for this one, and it does have a walk-in closet and a little small walk-in closet, and another bedroom here. Okay, check out the closet in this one, not quite as big as the other one. Dining room here, you've got the tray ceiling in the dining, really high ceilings here, which really opens up this space really nicely. Okay, let's check out the primary bedroom. Linen closet here. Okay, and as you can see, you have the tray ceiling in here as well. All right, let's check out this closet. It's the primary bedroom walk-in closet. And you come in here, double sinks and shower there. It's like a 5-foot shower with a little bench and another linen closet. You got some pull-out drawers in the bathroom here, and these are soft close drawers as well. And same thing in the kitchen, they do have soft close drawers as well, but we'll check that out in a moment. Water closet, you got the window in there. That is some natural light. And the open floor plan. Got the nice size island here, space for bar stools, and then you got the breakfast area here too. So not only do you have the formal dining room, you also have the breakfast area. All right, and the stainless steel appliances, gas range, subway towel backsplash. Like I said, you got the soft close drawers there as well. Okay. Soft close cabinets, built-in microwave. You got this single bowl sink here, and pantry. Okay, and you got the laundry room here, and this goes into the garage, 2-car garage, water heater, automatic door opener. The access to the attic is right up there. And just to get our bearings back right here. And the blinds are built in. Oh, by the way, the microwave is actually vented to the outside as well. So, you know, if you're like me that cook with spices and does make the house smell like a fish fry, you know, it's nice to have those so you can have all your cooking smells going outside. All right, so like I said, this is a 4-sided brick home, and you know, you got a little small covered patio area here. I mean, obviously, if you wanted to, you can extend that out. You know, you've got the architectural shingle roof on these homes here, and obviously you've got gutters on them, and this is all 4-sided brick. If you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in our area here, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. Look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Bye.